The Society for Nutrition, Education and Health Action was formed by a group of doctors and social workers dedicated to the vision of healthy women and children for a healthy urban world. Since its beginning more than a decade ago, Sneha has been working towards improved maternal and newborn care within the public health system.
Sneha has been working with the healthcare system of the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, and because quality of care is something that was very dear to us even when we were back in Sion Hospital, working with the issues which we knew came from women and newborns not getting the right care at the right time or not being referred on time to the next level of hospitals.
In 2004, Sneha began the City Initiative for Newborn Health by building on decades of experience working within Mumbai's public health system. And by conducting community-based research in the slums of Mumbai.
Because we used a participatory method, like we try and involve everyone, right from the tertiary level hospital professor till the medical officer of the maternity home. So everyone was involved, and one of the three things that were emerged from this workshops was we need to strengthen the health post, that is the primary care. The antenatal care needs to happen at the health post, and the referral system has to be implemented. The referral linkages need to be established between the maternity home and the peripheral hospital. The behavioral component which was not there earlier and which was focused on how they can be more sensitive to the patients and also to understand the needs of the patients who are coming to them.
In collaboration with the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, Sneha facilitated the establishment of antenatal clinics at 8 health posts across the city. 5 more clinics were added subsequently under 2 other projects.
बस्ती में ये सुविधा उपलब्ध होने की वजह से उन लोगों को बाहर दूसरी जगह जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। जैसे कि हेल्थ पोस्ट एरिया में ही है आरोग्य केंद्र, तो उनको इतनी आसानी है कि 6 महीने तक उनको यहीं पे सब सुविधा मिलेगी। बेसिक जो केयर है वो सब वहाँ पर मिलेगी, और 7वें महीने के बाद उनको मैटरनिटी होम जाना है, तो वो लिंकेजेस भी डॉक्टर्स लोग उनके साथ में बात कर सकते हैं। तो ये फ़ायदा बहुत है औरतों के लिए, मुझे लगता है कि एएनसी क्लिनिक वहाँ खोल के।
Sneha has conducted clinical trainings on neonatal care to develop the skills of health post staff. Training modules have been prepared in collaboration with the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai to standardize procedures in important operating areas in maternity homes. These include implementation of cleanliness and disinfection practices. Behavior change communication tools such as role plays and flashcards have been used with community health workers to improve delivery of maternal and newborn health messages.
मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, डॉक्टर के पास कैसा जाऊँ, क्या कहा जाऊँ, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
जब से वो ट्रेनिंग से आए बहुत मोटिवेट हो गए और खुद जाके एएनसीज एरिया में जाके एएनसीज लाते हैं, उनको हेल्थ टॉक के लिए भी बुलाते हैं यहाँ पे।
Additionally, regular awareness sessions on nutrition, danger signs during pregnancy, and correct breastfeeding practices have been conducted within the slum community to promote improved maternal and newborn health. Recognizing the importance of linkages between the various tiers of the public health system, Sneha has worked towards strengthening them through the standardization of the referral process. The system includes documentation and tracking of referrals, along with regular meetings between the various healthcare providers.
We have very limited resources, limited manpower. Not all the cases can be managed in this small maternity home. So for some complications, some type of patients, we have to refer them to the big institutions, peripheral hospitals. Sneha, which is come in, we have been developing communication in between maternity home and the peripheral hospital and the institution. And this has been working very fantastically. So nowadays we don't have much of the problem for the referrals. Patients are happy.
Sankalan is a result of Sneha's collective experience over the years, being recognized by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. An invitation to scale up from the ward to the city level. Through Sankalan, Sneha plans to replicate its model of improved maternal and newborn health across the city of Mumbai.
The project Sneha Sankalan focuses on creating services for the antenatal, postnatal and neonatal care for the mothers and the babies in 30 health posts across Mumbai. And the project also focuses on creating a regional referral system across Mumbai with the health post, 24 maternity homes, 10 peripheral hospitals and 3 tertiary centers.
Working with Sneha Sankalan, we got at least the protocols ready in our hand. Now it became as like a Bible for us. Like we can show it to maternity home and they really believed it. They also started adopting it. Now it is easier for us to do it across all the places.
As it continues to scale up its work, Sneha's partnership with the public health system and the slum communities will continue to grow to ensure healthy women and children for a healthy urban world.